Will the alarm clock turns on if you put your phone to silent on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series? So in this video, we're going to find out. Now first, I'm going to go back to the home screen, and I'll go into the app screen by swiping up on the home screen. Then I'm going to open up the clock application. Next, we're going to set the alarm at say 10:09. So we're going to set at 1:09 p.m. and then go into alarm sound. Make sure alarm sound is turned on, and in here you can choose ringtone or Bixby alarm or Spotify. So I'm going to select Bixby alarm. I'll go back and I'll tap on the save button. So make sure the alarm is turned on. Make sure that the day for the alarm to be switched on is activated, and tap on saved. Next, I'm going to swipe down and make sure I'll turn off my phone sound. So I'm going to put it to silent. So it is now in silent mode, and I'm going to decrease the volume in here as well. So put all the volume down, and now we're going to test it out. So we're just going to wait for it to get to 1:09, and the phone should turn on. The alarm should turn on, and then we're going to find out if it's going to make any sound or will it be in silent. Okay, so it's 1:09.
Hi there. It's currently 1:09 p.m. with a current temperature of 17 degrees Celsius. Today's low is 8 degrees, and the high is 18 degrees.
So you can see the alarm turns on while the phone is in silent mode. Alright, so here we've got the phone on silent, and the phone still raised, and so you should be able to have the alarm ringtone alert you even if your phone is on silent. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.